If you want to learn how to make money on Instagram, I've got you covered. I'm going to be answering your burning questions like how many followers do you need to get paid on Instagram and how much money can you actually expect to make? I know there's a lot of clickbaity videos out there that are like, make $800 a day with 0 followers. And does that sound realistic to you? No, it does not. So let's find out the real truth. By the way, guys, what is up? My name is Michelle Valley. How are we feeling today? Are we keeping the energy up? I hope so. All right, let's go back to the desk. I know a lot of you guys are wondering how to get paid on Instagram. Like, how can you get Instagram to pay you directly? Well, Instagram did used to have a program where they would pay you for how many views that you would get on your reels. That was discontinued in March 2023, but there are other ways that you can make money on Instagram. And there are 5 ways that you can do this. You can host events. You can do this as a live webinar or in person. You can charge a fee for people to attend. And once your events start to get really big, sell sponsorships to brands that want to advertise at your event. Offer exclusive content that is only available for people who pay. If you have valuable content like relationship advice or career advice, you could create a private Instagram group where you share exclusive tips and tutorials. Make an online store using Shopify, then post about your products and services to get people to buy. Offer your services as an Instagram manager. If you love creating content and managing social media accounts, you can offer your services as an Instagram manager or content creator. To find businesses to work with, DM them on Instagram, LinkedIn, and you can also find them on Upwork. Become a creator. Learn how to blow up on Instagram, make a plan to post every day, and then stick to it. Creators' #1 mistake is just lack of consistency. If you can be smart and consistent, you can make money as a creator. So I'll drop a video here so that you guys can learn how to get big on Instagram and down in the description box as well. So how many followers do you need in order to make money on Instagram? There's no magic number. I have seen an Instagram account with 5,000 followers make thousands of dollars off of collaborations with other brands. And I have also seen an Instagram account with literally millions of followers try to sell to their audience and completely flop. But if you want to know in general how much you can expect to make, these are the most up-to-date estimations. If you're a nano influencer with anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 followers, you can expect to make $10 to $100 per post. Micro influencers with 10,000 to 50,000 followers can make $100 to $500 per post. Mid-tier influencers with 50,000 to 500,000 followers can make $500 to $5,000 per post. Macro influencers with 500,000 to 1 million followers make $5,000 to $10,000 per post. And mega influencers with 1 million followers or more can make $10,000 to $1 million per post. If you're a beginner, here are 3 things that you can do right now to start making money. Quick pause, guys. If you are liking this video so far, consider subscribing. This is an official Shopify channel, and we have all the knowledge that you need in order to grow an online business. So if you're an entrepreneur and you want to hang out every week, then consider subscribing. Okay, back to the beginner ways on how to make money. So how do beginners make money on Instagram? Join an affiliate program. A really great one is Like to Know It. It's easy to join, and you can sell products by creating affiliate links and earning commissions on those purchases. Set up an Instagram shop. Your followers can shop the products that appear in your photos and videos with Instagram Shop. And lastly, enable live badges. So if you're a creator in the US, when you have these enabled and you go live, viewers can show their support by purchasing these badges. If you guys want to try your hand at selling products or services and you want to use Shopify to make your online store, I will leave a link for you guys in the description box. It'll be free to try, and it does not make you put your credit card information or anything like that. This channel that you're watching is called Learn with Shopify, and if you enjoyed and you want to grow as an online entrepreneur, then this is the place to be. Please consider subscribing and do give this video a like if you did find it helpful. It does help this channel and this video out a lot. Thank you guys for joining me this week, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.